Imagine standing before a mirror. That's not glass but made of soft, spherical fur pom-poms. This is the Pom-Pom Mirror, an extraordinary interactive piece by Daniel Rosen. It consists of 928 faux fur pom-poms, arranged neatly in a grid with each one linked to a motor. The moment you step in front of it, the pom-poms begin to shift, flipping between their beige and black sides, forming a reflection of you. Not in crisp detail, but in a fuzzy, abstract outline. The effect is mesmerizing. As you move, the pom-poms ripple like they are alive, turning what could be a simple reflection into a dynamic tactile experience. It feels like the mirror is breathing with you, constantly shifting and morphing in response to your presence. This use of unconventional materials, along with the clever integration of motion sensors, transforms the very idea of a mirror into something playful, surprising, and organic. Here's how it functions. Motion sensors. As you approach the mirror, sensors detect your presence and track your movements in real time. Motorized pom-poms. Each of the 928 faux fur pom-poms is linked to a motor. These motors control the movement of the pom-poms, flipping them between their black and beige sides. Computer vision. The mirror uses a computer vision system to interpret the data from the sensors and translate your movements into instructions for the motors. Reflection. As the motors flip the pom-poms, they form a silhouette of your body by switching from one color to the other. This creates a dynamic, pixelated reflection of your movements in a soft, fuzzy form. Organic effect. The mirror mimics a living entity, as the continuous motion of the pom-poms gives the illusion of breathing or pulsing, making the reflection appear almost alive.